In this video, I'll be covering the concept of interact modes and generic interaction component. Now you may have noticed in previous blueprints and previous videos that there was a node parameter on the event that we forward to receivers. Here we're going to take a look at that. Here we have 4 buttons linked to this light receiver, and if we hit these buttons, they exhibit different behavior. Now the numbers below the button represent the mode that the button is assigned when forwarding their event to this receiver. For example, 0 toggles the light on or off, and these red, green, and blue buttons set the light to the respective button color. Now this is achieved by simply hooking into this mode output of the interact simple event that we've been using and just defining different behavior based on this mode. Here we can see that 0 is set to simply toggle the light, and 1, 2, and 3 are set to set the light to red, green, or blue. From the button's perspective, if you're using the reusable button, like we are here, this button is simply forwarding a simple interaction event with an interact simple mode of 1. Now I can change this mode to 3. Now this text here won't automatically update with it, but now if we hit the button, this red button is now sending a value of 3, which happens to be what this blue button does as well, and we should see that this light turns blue as opposed to turning red. You can use this behavior to have multiple inputs still drive a single receivable but send arbitrary data along with it, such as what mode this light should behave with, whether it's a light color changing mode or simply an on or off mode switch. You can use this interact mode to define any type of behavior you would like, whether again it's changing the color of a light or making an elevator go to a specific floor.